Estimating the cost of a small residential electrical addition project involves several key components, including materials, labor, and other associated costs. Let's break down these elements to understand how to arrive at a reasonable and competitive bid. Firstly, let's discuss materials. The materials for this project include 40-3 Romex wire, outlets and plates, an exhaust fan, a smoke detector, single-pole switches, island outlets, a track light, phone and cable jacks, and floodlights with receptacles. Note that in this case, recessed cans and trims, as well as the ceiling fan, are provided by the homeowner, so there is no cost for those. Let's assign costs to each of the materials. The 40-3 Romex wire is estimated at $100. Outlets and plate are estimated at $150. The exhaust fan is estimated at $50. The smoke detector is estimated at $20. Single pole switches are estimated at $110. Island outlets are estimated at $30. The track light is estimated at $100. Phone/cable jacks are estimated at $50. Floodlights and receptacles are estimated at $150. Adding up these costs, the total materials cost comes to $860. Secondly, let's address labor costs. Labor involves running the home run and installing the panel, installing outlets, switches, and fans, installing recess cans, track light, and floodlights, and miscellaneous tasks. The labor is estimated at 8 hours per day. Considering the electrician's hourly rate of $32 plus benefits, the cost per day is $256. Running the home run and installing the panel is estimated at 1 day, costing $256. Installing outlets, switches, and fans is estimated at 1 day, costing $256. Installing recess cans, track light, and floodlights is estimated at 1 day, costing $256. Miscellaneous tasks are estimated at half a day, costing $128. Adding up these labor costs, the total labor cost comes to $896. Thirdly, consider other costs. These include permit fees and fuel and travel expenses. Permit fees are estimated at $100. Fuel and travel expenses are estimated at $50. Adding up these other costs, the total other costs come to $150. The total bid is calculated by adding the total materials cost, the total labor cost, and the total other costs. This comes to $860 plus $896 plus $150, which equals $2,006. Analyzing a sample bid of $2,000, it is reasonable and competitive based on the estimated materials, labor, and other costs. It falls within the typical range for a small residential addition with this scope of work. There are several factors to consider. The availability of skilled labor in your area can affect the labor costs. The complexity of the job and any unforeseen challenges can increase the labor hours and material costs. The homeowner's timeline and expectations can impact the overall project cost. Here are some tips for future bids. Firstly, break down the project into smaller tasks to estimate materials and labor more accurately. This allows for a more detailed and precise cost assessment. Secondly, get specific details from the homeowner about the materials they have purchased. This ensures that you are not including materials that are already accounted for. Thirdly, consider a percentage markup on materials and labor to cover potential overages or unexpected costs. This provides a buffer for unforeseen expenses. Get a permit if required in your area and include the cost of the permit in the bid. This ensures compliance with local regulations and avoids potential fines. Remember to always review the project scope thoroughly before submitting a bid. Understanding the full scope of work is crucial for accurate cost estimation. Consider adding a contingency fee to the bid to account for unforeseen issues that may arise during the project. This provides financial protection against unexpected expenses. Ensure that the bid clearly outlines what is included and what is not included in the price. This helps to avoid misunderstandings with the homeowner. Obtain multiple quotes from suppliers for materials to ensure you are getting the best prices. This can help to reduce the overall project cost. Keep track of your actual costs for each project to improve the accuracy of future bids. This historical data can be invaluable for refining your estimation process. Factor in the cost of any specialized tools or equipment that may be needed for the project. This ensures that you are not underestimating the overall project cost. Communicate clearly with the homeowner throughout the project to address any questions or concerns they may have. This helps to build trust and maintain a positive working relationship. Obtain insurance coverage to protect against potential liabilities during the project. This provides financial protection in case of accidents or damages. Comply with all relevant building codes and regulations to ensure the safety and legality of the project. This is essential for protecting yourself and the homeowner. Consider offering different pricing options to the homeowner to provide flexibility and meet their budget. This can help to increase your chances of winning the bid. Provide a detailed breakdown of the costs in the bid to show the homeowner where their money is going. This transparency can help to build trust and confidence. Follow up with the homeowner after submitting the bid to answer any questions they may have and to express your interest in the project. This demonstrates your commitment and professionalism. Review the bid carefully before submitting it to ensure that all costs are accounted for and that there are no errors. This attention to detail can help to avoid costly mistakes. Consider offering a warranty on your work to provide the homeowner with peace of mind. This demonstrates your confidence in the quality of your workmanship. Be professional and courteous in all your interactions with the homeowner to create a positive impression. This can help to build trust and increase your chances of winning the bid. Remember to factor in your profit margin when calculating the total bid price. This ensures that you are making a reasonable profit for your work. Stay up to date on the latest industry trends and best practices to improve your bidding skills. This can help you to stay competitive and win more bids. Consider using bidding software or tools to streamline the bidding process and improve accuracy. This can save you time and effort. Always prioritize safety on the job site to protect yourself and others from harm. This is essential for maintaining a safe and productive work environment. By following these tips and considerations, you can improve your bidding skills and increase your chances of winning profitable electrical projects. Remember that accurate cost estimation, clear communication, and professional conduct are essential for success in the electrical contracting industry.